How to unpin a contact on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to unpin a contact on iPhone. So let's begin. Before we proceed, what I would like you to do first is to make sure that you have the latest version of the iOS. So to do that, you just simply go to your settings, go to General, and then go to Software Update, which is the second option. Wait for it to load, and also that you will be needing your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection. And then click on download and install on the bottommost part, and then you should wait for it to be done. Now, assuming that you have the updated iOS, you may now go to your messages right here and then look for the message or contact that you want to unpin. It is very simple to unpin someone. You may simply press and hold onto their message or to their name, and then simply click on unpin right here. So um, you may also click on edit found on the upper left corner of the screen and click on edit pins right here. And then now you may either remove someone right here or add someone by clicking on the pin right here. To unpin, simply click on this button found on the upper left of that contact, and then now it will be unpinned. So that's it. That's how you can unpin a contact on iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.